loves, it's Najah Tai. Welcome back to my channel. We're gonna get straight into the video because you already know what we're gonna do today. I am starting off with my wig cap. I have my hair braided underneath, just cornrows, straight back, nothing fancy. I brush my hair or my wig before I put it on, just so that it can have all the kinks out. And I place it on my head. I don't like it all the way on my forehead like a lot of people style it. I like it kind of right on my hairline. As you can see, I've already plucked the front of my wig cap, so that's a must. Pluck the front. If you want it to look natural, you gotta pluck it. I didn't pluck it all the way. There's still some things that it's still very full in the front, but I plucked most of it. You gotta have your toothbrush. Eco Styling Gel is what I use first to lay my edges, and it's really honestly all about the swoop. And also to hold that, I put on some of the Got To Be glue. That helps a lot with keeping it in, I guess, the same place. Once I am done with my edges, I go ahead and take my hair back down, and I go back in with a eyeshadow brush and some powder that is the same color as my scalp, and kind of just go along the front ends and take it back. This wig that I'm using is not doesn't have a lot of parting space, so I kind of have to make my own, but this is just quick. You know, I wasn't really going anywhere, so I wasn't necessarily laying it all the way down. Usually I glue the side. And now I'm giving you guys something to do if you want to wear it to the side. You just kind of pull it over the side, and I like to gel my edges down on that side. Now these are, when I'm saying edges, I'm saying I just took some hair from the actual wig. They're not my edges. They're hair from the wig that I'm laying to sit on my head the way that edges would be on your hairline, I guess. Now I am plucking just some of the hairs on the front, just with my hands. I don't use the tweezers, but and like I said, I didn't go and really pluck through this lace front as much as I could have. I was just rushing kind of, but after I do that, it's kind of it. And I hope that you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. Love you. Bye.